Hello students, in today's class we'll see problems on modified Euler's method. The problem is given dy by dx equal to 1 plus y upon x, y is equal to 2 at x is equal to 1. Find the approximate value of y at x is equal to 1.2 taking step size h equal to 0.2. Apply modified Euler's method. Solution of this problem we'll see now.
Hello students, the problem is given dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y divided by x, where y is equal to 2 at x is equal to 1. Find the approximate value of y at x is equal to 1.2 by taking step size h is equal to 0.2, applying modified Euler's method. So this question we need to simplify using Euler's modified method. So what Euler's modified method says? First we need to find here first value of y of x1, that is value of y1 we need to find using the differential equation and the initial condition. Initial condition is y of x naught is equal to y naught. Then first we'll apply Euler's formula, that is predictor. Then we need to apply what here, we need to modify that one, that is modification is nothing but what here we need to correct what our predictions are there. Therefore let's see how to simplify this kind of example. Solution is given differential equation, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y upon x, and the initial value of y is 2, that is I can say y naught is equal to 2 and x naught is equal to 1. Fine, whatever x and y value they have, so we need to find x is equal to 1.2. Fine, so once we got this stage, so first we have collected the given thing, then we need to find the value of what here, y of 1.2. so here this problem we have collected the data. So given dy by dx is going to be considered as, dy by dx can also be written as what here, f of x comma y is equal to 1 plus y upon x. This is very important step we need to modify first. So f of x comma dy by dx is also renamed as f of x comma y is equal to 1 plus y upon x, and we know y naught value is 2 and x naught value is 1 from the given question. So once we get, now here we know that x1 is nothing but x naught plus h, and also in the given question they have given step size h is how much here, 0.2. So we know that x1 formula is nothing but what here, x naught plus h. It is what here, x naught plus h. So x naught value is 1, h value is 0.2. So therefore our x1 value is 1.2. This 1.2 what we got, it is fulfilling what here, required value of x. So this x1, so and this x value, that is 1.2, and this x1 supposed to be same. So once we got the fulfillment, then we need to, I can say that, so therefore y of x1 is equal to y1, so which is nothing but y of 1.2 is equal to y1. So this y1 is nothing but we are going to find this y1 using first Euler's formula, then we'll modify it and we'll find what here, y1 value approximately. So we'll see what is this y1 value and how to find step by step. So now we know that f of x comma y is nothing but what here, 1 plus y upon x. So therefore f of x naught comma y naught is nothing but 1 plus y naught upon x naught. So therefore 1 plus we know that y naught value from the given question, what we have collected, y naught value is 2, x naught value is 1. So therefore what we'll get here, so y naught is 2, x naught is 1, so therefore 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. So therefore I can say that f of x naught comma y naught is nothing but 3. So we got this value now. So therefore now we'll use step by step, we'll predict that one. So to predict that one, so by Euler's formula, what is Euler's formula? That is nothing but y1 of 0 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. So this is Euler's formula, and also I can say that predictor. So we are predicting one of the value of y1 from using Euler's formula. Therefore what is the predicting value here, we'll see. So y1 of 0 is equal to y naught value, it is 2, plus h value is 0.2, f of x naught comma y naught, just now we got the value here, f of x naught comma y naught, so it is nothing but how much here, 3. I will multiply. So therefore using the calculator you calculate this. So 0.3 into 3, so I will show you here the calculations. So how much we need to type, 2 plus 0.2 into 3. So 2 plus bracket 0.2 into 3. So how much we got, 13 upon 5. If you put SD button, we'll get one of the answer, that is nothing but 2.6. means our predicted value of y1 will be what here, 2.6. means our result will be nearer to what here, 2.6, which is nothing but what here, we need to correct it. So correct, we need to apply what here, Euler's means modified Euler's formula we need to use here. What is that Euler's modified formula? Already we have seen. I'll write it that what is modified Euler's formula now. Further, modified Euler's formula, that is first approximation, y1 of first approximation is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 into f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 of 0. So therefore y naught value from the question is 2, h value is 0.2 upon 2, then f of x naught comma y naught we have calculated, it is 3, plus f of x1 comma y1 of 0, it is nothing but our equation what we have, we need to write in the form of x1 and y1, it is 1 plus y upon x it is. So what is y upon x? So y1 of 0 divided by x1. Hope you have got this step clearly, because our given question is 1 plus y upon x. So now x will be replaced by x1 and y will be replaced by y1 of 0. So therefore 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 plus y1 of 0. y1 of 0 we got 2.6 divided by x1 is we have calculated x1. So I will show you y1 of 0 value and x1 value now. y1 of 0 value is 2.6 and x1 value we have calculated, it is 1.2. So both value we need to replace there. It is 1.2, close the bracket. So therefore on simplification use the calculator for this also. So how to calculate, just observe here, 2, okay, so 2 plus fraction 0.2 divided by 2, you press at once all, center cursor, then bracket 3 plus bracket. How you have written like that only you type it, and it will be easy. 1 plus 2.6 divided by 1.2. Okay, close the bracket correctly. One more bracket you need to close, then equal to sign. So how much we got? 157 upon 60. That is on, if you SD pattern, it will be 2.61666. So up to 4 decimal I want to take. That is, I can say that 2.6167 I will round up. So therefore our answer is, first approximation y1 of 1 is 6167, first approximation. So our predicted value is 2.6. So first we have corrected, it is 2.6167. So we need to repeat the same formula how many times till we get the same answer. So therefore now next approximation is y1 of 2, and the formula is y0 plus h upon 2 into f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 as it is, y1 of 1. So previously what we have here, y1 of 0. So now I want to take what here, y1 of 1, means previous fresh value of y1, and we'll simplify now. So we'll replace the value. Y0 value is 2, h is 0.2 upon 2, h is 0.2 here, divided by 2 already from the formula. F of x0 comma y0 we have calculated, it is 3, plus here the formula is 1 plus y1 of 1 divided by x1. So this we need to collect from what here, given question. What is y dash? No. So from there whatever they will give, we'll replace here. So therefore on simplification, that is, we'll first add the value 0. So the 0.2 upon 2 is nothing but, or else keep as it is. We'll put everything directly in the calculator. So 1 plus y1 of 1, just now we got y1 of 1, how much we got? 2.6167, write it, 2.6167, and x1 it will remain same as 1.2. So now take the calculator and simplify once again. So on simplification, you type it once again. It is nothing but 2 plus fraction 0.2 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus bracket 1 plus fraction again. It will become what here, 2.6167 divided by 1.2. Okay, close the brackets, two brackets, equal to sign. So we got answer 2.61805. So up to 4 decimal. So 0 and 5 is there, more 5 or more than 5 we can add in the previous one. So 2.6181 I will take it. How much here? So second approximation, that is y1 of 2 is equal to 2.6181. I got it. So you can cross check here. So cross check means what here? So previous value of is what, 2.6167, and now we got 2.6181. So both values are not same. We need to again work out what here, two more, means we'll work out up to what here, up to, if they mentioned a 2-step means we need to stop here, or 2 approximation we stop here. So I will work out here up to accuracy level. So what is the accurate answer, we'll check it now. So again, so the next approximation is y1 of 3, third approximation, y0 plus h upon 2, then f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 of second approximation, close the bracket. So therefore y0 value is 2 plus h value is how much here? H value is 0.2 divided by 2. F of x0 comma y0 is 3 plus here it is 1 plus y1 of second approximation divided by x1. So fill the values of y1 of second approximation and x1. 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 plus y1 of second approximation we got 2.6181. 2.6181 divided by 1.2 as it is. So I will show one of the easiest method here. So already we have the data here. So all values are same. You can check here. Y0 value is same, h value is same, f of x0 value is same. Only we are updating the value of what here? Y1 of 2 remaining all same. So in the calculator already it is there. So use the center button. Okay, use the center button and cursor. So you just what here replace the value of what here, instead of 2.6 I will replace, I will delete this and I will enter here 2.6181. 6181 and equal to sign. So we'll get the answer. It is 2.61817 is there. So I will write it here. So answer how much we got? So it is 2.61817. We getting 7 means round up it is will be 2. So y1 of third approximation. You can observe one thing here. So 2.6181 is there, 2.6182. We can stop because almost both are similar, and I can say that the required. So therefore I will conclude here. So therefore I can say that conclude it, y of x1 is equal to y1, which is nothing but what here, y of x1 is nothing but 1.2 is equal to approximate value of y. So this is approximate value of y. It is 2.6182. So in this way we need to get the result of given differential equation with initial value problem using Euler's modified method or modified Euler's formula, or I can say that Euler's predictor and corrector formula also.